In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Mailchimp confirmation email. A confirmation email is often the very first message someone receives from your brand, so getting it right matters. A clean, on-brand confirmation reassures your audience, sets expectations, and keeps your communications consistent. Let's walk through the exact path to reach that email and then make it feel like it belongs to your brand. Start by heading to the left-hand pane in Mailchimp and clicking on Campaigns. This is where your email assets live and where you'll find the confirmation message you want to refine. Inside Campaigns, choose Email, so you're working specifically with your email content. Locate the confirmation email in your list, then click the Edit button attached to it. When the email opens, click on Preview to edit it. This brings the content into view and lets you make changes with confidence because you can see how everything will look as you go. Now you can continue customizing the confirmation email to match your brand. Start with the header, so it immediately looks familiar. Use your logo in a clean, high-resolution format and keep spacing balanced so it doesn't feel cramped. Align the color palette with your brand colors for backgrounds, buttons, and text accents. Pick fonts that mirror your brand voice. Clear, readable typefaces with consistent sizes for headings and body text go a long way. In the body copy, keep the confirmation message front and center. Use a warm, professional tone that reflects how your brand speaks. Keep sentences short and scannable, and make sure any important details, such as what's been confirmed and what to expect next, are clearly stated. If your design includes a button or link, style it with your brand's primary color and a concise label so it's obvious what action it leads to. When you add images or icons, use ones that complement your style and include descriptive alt text for accessibility. Pay attention to spacing and alignment for a tidy, modern look. Consistent margins, even line spacing, and clear separation between sections help readers move through the email effortlessly. Make sure your footer elements, like links, address information, or legal text, match the rest of your design in color and typography so nothing feels out of place. Take a final look in the preview to confirm everything feels cohesive, readable, and unmistakably yours. And that's all. With these adjustments, your confirmation email will reflect your brand and set the right tone from the very first message.